Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel for another cooking video. Today we are going to be working with canned items in this week's video lineup. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys another way of making corned beef, and that is by currying it. So we're going to be making curried corned beef with potatoes. So this is one of those quick, easy, simple, budget friendly meals that you will definitely enjoy. So corned beef was actually one of the first things, if I remember correctly, that I ever cooked with my dad. And I remember the stove was not even in the correct place in the kitchen yet, and we made corned beef and rice. From ever since, I loved corned beef. I still do love corned beef now, and I don't eat it that often anymore, but boy, when I tell you, a hot corned beef, peppery corned beef with hot rice is like comfort food to me. It has to be peppery too. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys another way of cooking corned beef, and that is by adding some curry to it and adding some potatoes to it. So let's jump into this video. So for our curry corned beef and potato, we need a potato, of course. I'm using one large one, but you can use two smaller ones, or just about any amount that you want to use. Got my corned beef here. I'm going to be using some JGM products, hot curry, some of the roasted jeera as well, green seasoning, of course, and green seasoning is just a combination of fresh herbs and garlic and pimentos and hot pepper. I also have some chopped up onion, garlic and hot pepper in here as well as some pimento or flavor pepper. And to cook this, we're going to be cooking it in some vegetable oil. So to start things off, I'm just going to be peeling my potato and then cutting it into cubes. So of course, if you have a potato peeler, you can go right ahead and use it, so you won't be wasting some of that potato. Like, I'm cutting pretty deep into it, but it's all good. Into cubes. Try to get them almost the same size as possible, or as equal in size as possible. That's just to ensure equal cook time. So now that we have our potatoes all chopped up, it's time to cook our corned beef, curried corned beef with potatoes. To get started, I'm just going to add some oil to the pot. Now the corned beef, some corned beef can be oily, so I don't want to add too much. And when the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to be adding in the onions and the pepper, the pimento and the garlic. And I'm going to cook that up for about 1 to 2 minutes, keeping the heat on low medium. And once the onions are nice and tender, I'm going to be adding the curry powder. I'm going to keep the heat on low. I'm going to keep stirring it because I want to just cook that curry powder just for a couple of minutes. I'm going to add just a little water just to not let it stick. And then I'm going to continue cooking this until it gets that nice thick paste. And then I'm going to be adding in my chopped or my cubed potatoes. I'm going to mix that up nicely, make sure that all that curry paste is coating all the potato pieces. Then I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to let this cook until the potatoes are almost properly cooked through. So I'm going to cover the pot just to speed it up a bit. And once the potato is nice and tender, I'm going to be adding in my green seasoning and also my corned beef. So because corned beef tends to have a lot of sodium in it, I don't usually add salt. But if you want to taste it with the addition of the potatoes and all of that, and you want to taste it and add it for salt, or you can just adjust it accordingly, of course. And then I'm just going to be sprinkling some of the roasted jeera. Give it a quick stir. Let it cook down a bit there. And that would be it for our curry corned beef with potatoes. And then there we have it, guys, our curried corned beef with potatoes in it. And of course, to eat it, must have my rice, and I sliced up some avocado, some cucumber and some lettuce to go along with it. So curried corned beef and potatoes. Now, have you guys ever had this? Now, I've had it before, and I would be honest with you guys and say that I would prefer to have it the other way. I have a video up on the regular way of making the corned beef, the more popular way of making corned beef. That video is up on my channel, so I'll post the link for that down below. So the curry corned beef and potato is very nice. If you love the curry, of course, it's delicious. It is nice, but I personally prefer the other way, of course. But if you do make curry corned beef, let me know how much different you do it from my version of it. If you've never had it before, give it a try. You just might fall in love with it. This video, we use the JGM Products line of curry. You guys follow them on Instagram and also Facebook to get an idea of all the different products that brand carries, of course. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. If you are new to my channel, well, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, of course. If you have any questions concerning this particular recipe or any others up on my website, feel free to comment down below, let me know, or even reach out to me via Facebook, Instagram, or email. I will try my best to help you guys, of course. So thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in my next video.